Now, inweta this video, you metro makana share button, you share this video. You want to go. According to Nigeria Police Force, you want to go press release. They said financial crimes. Police net 2 high-profile cyber criminals. Arraigned suspects in court. However, in the ongoing fight against transnational financial crime, they actually talked about, okay, let me read it. I'll say in the ongoing fight against transnational financial crime, the Nigerian Police Force, Interpol, National Central Bureau, NCB, Abuja, has once again achieved significant breakthrough, apprehending 2 high-profile suspects wanted for investment fraud and cybercrime. This arrest underscored the Nigerian Police Force commitment to tackling both financial and cyber-related threats. Following a meticulous investigation, Interpol NCB Abuja successfully apprehended Robert Hams, pay attention, a Canadian national in connection with a fraudulent investment scheme targeting 30% enterprise in Akwa Ibom State. The investigation was initiated following a formal petition by the company. The complainant alleged that Hams introduced through a Polaris bank account officer in June 2023 fraudulently induced them into investing a fictitious waste-to-energy project in Canada. Under this pretense, Deficit Enterprise transferred $210,000 to secure a fabricated capital project bond with promise of $30,000 return within 4 weeks. Return which never materialized. You want to go? I want you to read carefully the details. I want you to read carefully the details of the first arrest of Mr. Hams also. Then let us go to the second arrest. In a separate operation, Interpol NCB Abuja also successfully reapprehended Mrs. Ogechi Njaka, who is wanted for series of cyber crimes and fraud-related offenses, including cyberbullying, cyber stalking, obtaining money under false pretense, cheating, and criminal breach of trust. The case against Njaka was initiated in September 2020 following a report filed by Hajia Marian Shehu, represented by MIT Safe and Co legal practitioners and notaries public Abuja. Investigation revealed that Njaka's active involvement in cyber stalking and cyberbullying through multiple social media platforms, where she maliciously distributed Indomie photos and videos of her Viking teams. Njaka was declared by this we already know. Furthermore, Njaka's non-governmental organization, Ogechi's Helping Hands Foundation, is also facing prosecution for allegedly obtaining 452 billion 821. Okay, for yes now, of course. Okay, 452,821,982 in a medical assistance scam before the Federal High Court Abuja, along with Emeka Ezobo and Toro Family Foundation. The Nigerian Police Force, under the leadership of the Inspector General of Police, IGP Kayode Eboteku PhD, once again emphasizes its unyielding resolve to combating all forms of transnational financial crimes and urge members of the public to exercise utmost caution and due diligence before entering into high-value international agreement, and to promptly report any suspicious activities to law enforcement agencies. ACP, 13th of May 2025. I want you to carefully read the details of that first arrest. It was stated, clearly stated, with date time, everything, transaction and everything. But when it came to Ogechi Okeke Njaka's case, your guess is as good as mine. You want to go? Your guess is as good as mine. You want to go? Utu nonsense sakoko anakosinsi. It wasn't in details. You want to go? Ofife nagwa mwani apujawo. Libego. Libego. Iye ligidego. Ilichego at the end of the day. Oya do ko tai owo na mma. E woru mega. Wori ejemi ife baruru. Libego. Oije me papa ka police wolu na ejidere onye go na ekolo na Facebook wori ejeti na Facebook official Facebook page nde police ko we wolu na ejidere deri nwa amama ko we wolu na ejidere osama ko we wolu na ejidere shekau nke nde buku and the haram ko we wolu na ejidere onye ka ejidere onye ka ejidere na ekolo no akogwara go now cyber this, cyber that, cyber this, cyber that. That was the only offense. And they call we baga. He was somebody dinka. Nkedi ana posgo 400 and the gunu million in kawa akoko mama ngosi and they had. Even now initial gragra. You got to go. Even now initial gragra. When EFCC arrested VDM, they reported in their official page na Haj VDM. In the other hand, when they arrested so many other people, they also reported na Faji those people. So it is not an issue that Ogechi Okeke Njaka is a very controversial lady. She's an American citizen, for God's sake. So, a case in this magnitude, like Akam, the Nigerian police, they are going to report to people. In the Igbo case, Kerife Weme, Nanke Matthias. How about Matthias? If Matthias, no, Matthias, very for Ogechi, Ogechi. Case Ogechi abro just Ogechi in person. Abro just Nigerian government if I report to case Ogechi alongside in a Canadian man. Meaning that these two people are more like partly only anyway foreign. Ogechi is more like partly a foreigner in Nigeria. That is why Nigerian police situation kafa mayor feature. You got to go kafa mayor feature. You want to go Canada, America, Maluko, okay, it is official. So I want the followers of Ogechi to calm down if that is now worked up over all these things. These are just normal formalities. You want to go? These are just normal formalities. Nigerian police have to update, make it official, so that America will know that officially they are holding their citizens. No more that is why that Canadian man and Ogechi being an American citizen. So they actually gave update so that the world will know that they are holding such a person in their custody. So those things are just normal. They got to go. Imagine the refer to Tanzania, or Russia, or refer to UK arrest in Nigeria. You have to make it official so that it will be in the official platform. Because America feel the kid and the Napo, their citizen. That is why they made it official. As for one year, go. This is our country. Nigeria. This is our country. And the a chance we pay na this country. Yes, court of law is there for you to iron out something with somebody. We can't have a video where you are calling somebody Onyohi. We can't have a video where you are labeling somebody a criminal. But You got to go. You got to see a kike there because no emotion nwoke eji welu nka anyị niile. Biko all the followers and lovers of Ogechi, you people should go and sleep and allow umwefulefu enwe ife ha maka ha celebrate nonsense. You got to get too busy and occupied doing something very important, something very reasonable. You got to go. I am too occupied. So all these people now tag them, all the tags. This is when I actually know how popular I have become. Honestly, such thing they matter how, in fact, matter so many people they pretend na farmer onye zugo actually, but they are just pretending. Now tag them, tag them. That is how you make me popular. I am telling you, when you tag me, people will want to know who is this Ezugo. Kerife Zuga and make a special. You want to go? So this is just to clarify to you people that when you look at the details of these two arrests, you will see that the first one was too elaborate. In fact, all detailed, but the second one, it is just to brief you so that you know that this person, though arrested for an alleged case of this and that. You want to go? So when you don't know, American citizens engaged in Nigeria, the world power. So Nigerian police force must do what they have to do. Kambowa na America, we malo na arrest Ogechi, the official. You want to go? So they have to do that, otherwise, remember, Ogechi Park Keji, or Matthias Keji, or you got to go, just anybody. Ogechi Okeke Njaka, American citizen, wife of a military personnel in America. You got to go. So you understand. Na poni jela hawola. You got to go. You na alone no boda. Unless na mailaka na baboy. You got to go. So okwu abatago. Keje okwu hapuzie no na panic is na. You got to go na panic is na. Joy is coming. You got to go. Joy is coming. Ojide Matthias JT an official Nigerian police force official Facebook page for what? Not more bana. You have to be careful on how you manage it. Otherwise, or who the yaka, ndona funyana, ndone wenyane we. Onafbo ifo, one on Facebook, since he decided in a young we fe. Naturally, Ogechi celebrate one. When I celebrate, let's celebrate now. Drink champagne, pop champagne. On of police. Can even official Kyle na target. Did you not see the arrest of VDM in official EFCC listed? Did you not see DSS talk about it? When Russia Sokorosha, when they find over, when almost all the people you know, the highly influential and powerful, when they were arrested, on either na official either EFCC police force or DSS official page, either do you think Ogechi is a nobody that Nigerian police here and one cell? They won't report. You want to go? Did you get my point? Did you get the point now? So happen of they celebrate nonsense. They celebrate just anything. The other day, I arrested Ogechi and Newi. Happy to celebrate before you know their joy was cut short. So I see the joy being cut short. I see. If you see that with me, to Ogechi Abana wine, come put a one.